Hey everybody, welcome back to the PPC King video cast. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do SEO for your Wix website. I'm going to use one of my brands here that we haven't done the SEO for yet, which is Wix Interactive. It's our exclusive partnership that we have with Wix to build their websites for any customer that's on the Wix platform. So let's just dive right in how to do SEO because you're going to want to know how to do that. And this is top level. This is the basics of what you can do. And then if you need to do SEO, like building backlinks, you want to hire a company like us, You don't want to be doing that. So on the left-hand side of your dashboard, and here we are in my dashboard of Wix Interactive. And actually, I want to do something real quick. I'm going to do a quick Google search. If I type in Wix Interactive, if I come up. Because if I don't, we got to fix that for SEO. I like to save this to do videos. So this is why we haven't done it. So doesn't look like we're showing up. Okay, let's do it. Let's get us up there. How long does it take? It could take anywhere from 3 days to 6 months. But let's do it right and we'll get there a little faster. So we're going to click on marketing and SEO. It's going to take us right to the marketing home. This right here will give you, if you click on Get Found on Google Start Now, it's going to give you step-by-step processes. You follow this, you're going to pretty much end up on Google. What you want to put here is your business brand name. We are Wix Interactive. You either serve customers face-to-face or you provide a service. We provide a service. So I check that circle. Here I'm going to pick 3 keywords that I want to show up on Google for. Now the key with this is that you know your business very well. Your customers don't know your business as well as you. So you want to try to think about how your customers would think and search for you. For instance, if you sell umbrellas, a customer is going to come online. I want to buy an umbrella. Maybe you only sell 36-inch blue golf giant umbrellas with the expandable this and that and that. Don't type that in because that's not what they're looking for. They're looking for an umbrella. So be very basic and think about how your consumers are going to find you. So for us, they're going to type in things like Wix websites. Okay, and so I'll put in Wix website. That will be one of our keywords that we do. Wix SEO. That's another thing that we do. And then we do website design. We are a full service marketing agency, but that's typically how our customers come to us is they want us to build their site first. We actually do all this for you as part of our service. It's one packaged price and it's very affordable to build a website. We start at $499, a 7-page website, and we do all of this for you. So now we click next. And that just takes a second. 97, 98%, and boom, bada bing, that part is done. Now it says here that we want to add the homepage's description to search results. What does that mean? Well, that is this description that shows up underneath this main headline. So we are going to want to add this. Now, you want to have at least one keyword in there, your business and site name, and a length of 50 to 300 characters. Don't go more than 300 characters. Google does not like that. It will cut it off and it will push you down in the rankings. Stay within the parameters. The way I look at it, like this is bullet pointed quick information. So what's the description of our company? You typically are going to find that on a company's about page. So you should already have what you do either on your home page or your about page, right? So I'm going to go under about us. And I'm going to pick it right here is just what we do. This is what we do. Oops, I don't want that part. And if you don't have that, then you already have it if we did your website, but if you don't. Now, see how it's in yellow? I have too much, but see, I got all these checks. So I want to minimize that. Wix Interactive is a premier digital marketing agency helping companies of various sizes to achieve their advertising goals. I actually want to stop it right there. Remember, I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to minimize this and I deleted too many words. I spelled goals wrong. Real life issues here, people. Wix Interactive premiered Google Premier Partner. We are, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to take all of this out because what I actually want to do is add in my other keywords. So I'm going to add in Wix websites, Wix SEO. It's my keywords. So my keywords that I put in there are going to relate to the description of my business, and then it's going to also associate with my page. So I want to make sure I have those keywords on the page, which I do. And then I'm not going to put the word "and." Takes up too many characters. Remember, bullet points and website design. Okay. Now, if you notice, this didn't turn yellow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Okay. And as you see, step number 2 is paste your description in the what's the page's meta description in the search results section in the editor. So how do you do that? You got the editor open, go to pages, and then SEO basics. So let me show you how to do that. And then you refresh this. So what I'm going to do is we want to edit the site. So I'm going to open it in a new window here. There's another way to do this, but I want you to be able to follow along with what they're telling you to do. There's a simpler way, but so we're going to go into edit the website. And now this is opening. Of course, it's going to take a second. Okay, I'm going to come over here under menus and pages. And then over here, it's telling us to go to pages icon, click the 3 dots on the homepage tab, and then select SEO basics. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click the 3 dots right here on your homepage tab and then SEO basics. So right now, here's how we show on Google Home and Wix Interactive. It's horrible. We can't have that. So where do I change that? Well, I changed that right here. And then right here is what we just copied. What's this page description? I'm going to put it right there. Okay. And then I don't like this at all. So I'm actually going to take Wix Interactive and I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to change this to advertising done right. This is the first thing people see. So if I go on Google and I type in Wix websites, right, it's going to come up. We're going to have Wix is obviously going to come up first. And you can make this pretty long. See what they did here? They made this pretty long. Let's go down and see. Let's go to like page 6 and see what people are doing. Editor X, we're going to have why Wix is wondrous website builder for, oh my gosh, that was too long to read. Need a website? I do. Wix has you covered. So what I want to do then is, this is right to the point. We're Wix Interactive, advertising done right. And then what I also can do, if I want, I can take this and I can go like this, and I can go affordable websites. I'm going to publish this, okay? And that's all I want to do for that. Now you can go under advanced. You won't need to change any of this. This is automatic, okay? I'm going to publish that. Then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to refresh. I should get a check mark. Yes, awesome. Now I want to connect my site to Google Search Console. Well, what exactly is Google Search Console? Well, Google Search Console is basically a dashboard where you can see what people do when they come to your website. And it gives you performance and lots of information. So here's one of our current branded websites. I just loaded this up in another video, but let me show you this client's site. I actually have a couple. Let me just open this real quick. See if this one has any data. Here we go. This is one of our brands that we work with. What this is going to do is tell us how much traffic it's gotten and coverage. It's also going to tell us, if we go under performance here on the left, how many impressions we got, how many people clicked on the website, how many keywords it's ranking. It's going to show you when people type something in, how many times your website comes up in the search, where it shows. I have a full training class on this. If you'd like, you can send me a message from wixinteractive.com and ask about the training. I'm more than happy to give you insight into that. But so let's do one for Wix Interactive. We haven't done that yet. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to go click here and we're going to add a property. And we're just going to type in the website that we want, which is www.wixinteractive.com. Continue. Now it's going to come up and give a pop-up with a code that we need to copy. And it says copy into a TXT record, blah, 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 blah. Here's what you do. Just follow these steps. Click copy. It should have a little thing that says copy to clipboard. I want you to go back over to your dashboard for your website. Okay. This is going to update in just a second. So, and then I want you to come up here into the search bar and I want you to type in domains. And it's going to come up and you click on my domains. Now you're going to see a list here because I own a lot of domains and every customer I do puts them on here. So we're going to go over here under Wix Interactive. You should probably only have one. You're going to click these little dots here. And then you're going to manage DNS records. This is going to pop up now, manage DNS records. You're going to come down to where it says TXT record. I already have one for site verification. Oh, did we already do that part? So, and then you'd hit add a record. You would paste it right here. And since I'm seeing this, I may have already done that part, which means it might be under a different login. But anyway, so that's what you would do. So you click add a record. Don't worry about this first part. You paste, I right click, paste it there, hit save. And then that other one should go away. But so this is a good instance here. I don't know where that one is. So let me hit save. Let me just do this one. It'll come up and say you successfully saved. Then come back over here and hit verify. There it goes. Now go to property. And there's no data here. You're going to have to give it a day. It'll actually come up really fast. I just want to look through because it said I already had one there. I bet it was under, anyway. That's interesting. But see, it says here that it wasn't connected. Okay. So if I go connect now, it's going to go to editor. It's going to just pop through here, but it'll start to show. Should refresh there. Oh, it didn't yet. Oh, I haven't done my homepage yet. Okay, so that's another piece that we have to do that too. Okay. So now what we have to do is go to, okay, so we've done that. I haven't added my meta description for my about page, which again is that part that we pasted in there. So what I want to do, try not to confuse you too much here. If I go, you want to type something different than you typed for the home page. So if I go to our About Us page, the second paragraph is different. First one, I'm going to type it in here. And what I'm going to do is just take out half of it and see, this was red before. Now I fit underneath there. Okay. I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go back over into my editor under pages. I'm going to go down to About Us. I'm going to click on the three dots, SEO Basics. It's going to come up. There's nothing here. I'm going to paste it there. About Us, Wix Interactive. I'm okay with that. I'm going to publish. I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to refresh, and we should get a green check. Yes. Okay. Add pricing pages, meta description. So what it's going to do here is I have all these pages. It's just telling me I don't have those in there yet. You get the idea. Just follow through and you can do all of this. I don't have our Facebook link connected yet, so I'll have to go through and do that. And then you'll get all of these will turn green. And then step 3, you can follow these directions if you want to keep going. There's little training videos here. And then, of course, this one is hire a Wix SEO partner. That's us, Wix Interactive. We'd be more than happy to work with you and help you out. Here's a very important tip. So under SEO tools, you want to go under get found on Google. And, I'm sorry, that's where we were. Under SEO tools, SEO patterns here in the top right, click on that. And under edit pattern, on the first one, you're going to have all of these. Now, you don't really need to understand what these are. This is automatic, so you don't have to do anything. This first one is the important one. And this button right here is extremely important. So after going here, you want to make sure that this is turned on with a check mark that says, let search engines index your main pages. Extremely important, because if not, Google can't find you. Make sure that that's clicked. You can also add in your meta descriptions here as well. And that helps show up here, page site name. And then you can edit anything on this page if you'd like. It's up to you. You don't have to. It's automatic if you want. So if I want to, I can just go Wix Interactive, and then I can go, whoops, I can go do it here. Let's do this one and do beautiful, affordable websites. There's a client calling. Let me take it. I'm going to pause and be right back. Okay, so I have that information in there and I've updated it. And then I hit save. And this is just backs it up. Now you don't have to worry about any of that. And that's it. That's the main part of what you need to do. You don't need to worry about this or this. You can click on site verification, and then we did this right here. That's that code. Whoops. That's not the right one. That code that they give you, you could put it there, but we already did it. If you have a Pinterest, you can, and if you need to know, here are the step-by-step. Just walk through. Yandex is Yahoo. A lot of people don't know that. But here's the directions. Just follow these directions step by step, and you'll get through. So that is Wix SEO on a top level. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. More than happy to help you here at Wix Interactive. Exclusively working with Wix. This will take a little time, and then this will populate. There you go. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Good marketing to you. Don't forget to listen to my podcast. It's the PPC King. Type that into Spotify, Google. I'm constantly doing updates on there. Also, I'll put a link below to the Facebook page. It's facebook.com/cohagenmedia.com. That's the parent of Wix Interactive. That's our big brand that we work with large corporations. Wix is designed specifically, but follow that page. I'm constantly putting information up there, but the podcast, we put a lot of free information out of how to get ranked. So good luck to you. All right, bye.